Hello, this is Norio Hayakawa in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Today, I'm going to take a short Google Earth tour of this very important, historically very important area known as the Manzano underground nuclear storage facility. I'm going to take you to the paved road that surrounds this entire Manzano Hill, right inside Kirtland Air Force Base, on the northeast corner of the Kirtland Air Force Base. This facility was constructed in 1947 during the time of the Cold War days, and you can see many openings like tunnel openings or storage area openings. And here's one interesting area where there are many trucks parked right here, large trucks, and here's a large building right there, and an opening right here also. And on the other side there's another paved road, and then another road. So this is a very, very huge Manzano underground nuclear storage area that was constructed in 1947, as I mentioned, during the Cold War days. So we're going to take you to the back area, and the road goes on, and here's another opening right here. And let's go to the other side of this location. Here's another opening right here. And right here, there are a total of 30 storage areas. The opening, area of the storage areas. Here's another one right here. And we're almost close to the Four Hills area community of Albuquerque. And now here's another underground facility opening right there. Another one right here. Another one. Let's take a closer look. It's right here. And so anyway, we're almost close to the Four Hills community of Albuquerque, New Mexico. But notice that, there are other roads that surround this Manzano Hill. Here's another underground facility opening right here. And so let's look at this. This area is paved road, but this area is the where they have the fence. Notice that this area is completely paved and still is in use. And this is the area where they have three tiers of, the fences. It used to be electrified, but it's no longer electrified. And on this right here is the Four Hills community, the Four Hills. And in fact, the late Paul Benowitz, a scientist, he used to live right around here near the fence line of this Manzano facility. And from here, he used to watch over this Manzano Hill and used to see some strange things over the hill. And that was in 1979 and 1980. And that was the beginning of the so-called strange theory about this former Manzano underground nuclear storage facility, or the Manzano underground base. And so here is the Four Hills community of Albuquerque, and this is the fence line today. But so we're gonna go back to the beginning, and this is a very, very important phase of the Cold War, history of the Cold War during the 1950s especially. So this is a very important, historically very important facility. And so we're coming right back to the beginning of this former Manzano underground nuclear storage facility. You can see the openings right here, right here, right here, and right there. I hope you had a good bird's eye view of this whole location. This is Nori of Hakawa in Albuquerque, New Mexico.